And what Google suggests is a very important thing that both OEMs and dealers need to evolve and do pretty quickly is uh, better utilize their data. And this is pretty common across many industries. These dealerships and these manufacturers have so much data, customer data, where they're from, what car they bought, did they lease, their financial situation with respect to financing and leasing. They have all this data that they do nothing with. They do
Yeah.
nothing with it, and much of it is captured very improperly or poorly with via CRMs. So if they can nail that process, capture that data, and then use it to advertise, to better their business, whatever it may be, they're going to be the ones that are going to win in the next several years because Google told in the last Think Auto conference, Google told OEMs that you need to stop thinking as yourself as a car company and start thinking of yourself as a data company. And you need to start being a data provider and provide that information to your dealerships, as that's how you're going to win long term.